This is the story of a quest for peace. Caressed by the peace of the ocean, surrounded by the warmth of the mountain, caressed by the swift rustle of the waves, greeted by a broad smile. This is a journey of self-discovery on the all-encompassing island with a strong sea breeze, with a fresh waterfall, with a blue ocean and a clear water with a variety of marine animals. On this island, I understand the meaning of serenity among the crowd. Where friendship blossoms. Exploring the beauty of the island together makes everything more valuable. Digging the thick history among the rocks. Paddling through the bay in the shimmering sun. But this adventure doesn't end with goodbye. Silence, togetherness, longing. This island has left its mark on the heart. Sabang, one island, a million colors. The light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.